Stop jumping between 5 different AI tools just to finish one single video. If you're still writing a script in one tab, generating images in another, and hopping over to separate platforms to animate them, you're actively wasting hours of your time. With Claude Opus 4.8, you can now run your entire production workflow, from the initial outline to high-fidelity, cinematic 4K B-roll, completely inside a single chat window. The secret to pulling this off is an absolute game changer called Higgsfield. By connecting this tool directly to the AI assistant, you transform your AI assistant into a full-scale creative agency that instantly orchestrates over 30 of the world's top multimodal video engines, ensuring flawless character consistency, precise text rendering, and studio-level cinematography. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this workflow, write prompt formulas that translate into stunning camera moves, and scale your content creation on total autopilot. Most creators are stuck in what I call the tab tornado, bouncing between tools, losing context, and burning out before a single video goes live. The result: inconsistent content, wasted hours, and zero momentum. This tool fixes all of that by acting as the creative engine underneath the AI assistant. One connected system that handles your characters, your scenes, your cinematography, and your final render without you ever leaving the chat. By the end of this video, you will know how to connect your account, build a full storyline, generate a consistent character sheet, and render a faceless cinematic video, all from scratch. And if you want to follow along in real time, the link to get started is in the description below. Let's dive in. Step 1, connecting your account to the AI assistant. Now here comes my absolute favorite part to show people, because this is the moment everything clicks. When I first connected the platform to the AI assistant, the AI literally responded as if it had just been handed a full production studio. I was like, wait, that's it? That's all I had to do? Here's exactly how we do it. First, we start by heading over to the platform's website. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and create your free account or log in if you already have one. Then we continue by navigating to the integrations. Click on MCP and CLI. After that, select MCP and just copy that integration link right there. Next, open the AI assistant and open the sidebar. Click on the Customize button and hit the connector icon on the sidebar. Now we can continue by clicking the Add icon and selecting Add Custom Connector. Next, we just write down a name, paste the link we copied earlier, and hit Add. Finally, we can finish the setup by clicking the Connect button on the pop-up and hitting Allow. Here's what most people don't know. Once you're connected, you can actually check your account balance directly inside the chat. You just ask the AI about your remaining credits, and it will instantly pull up your real-time balance. This is super useful because you can keep track of your rendering limits while you work without ever needing to jump back to your main dashboard. Once you see that list come back, you are officially set up and ready to build. And trust me, what comes next is where the real fun starts. Step 2, crafting your storyline with Opus 4.8. Now here comes my favorite creative step, because this is where the system genuinely separates itself from every other AI model you've used for content. When I typed in a single sentence about my video concept, the AI built out a full 5-scene narrative arc with shot descriptions, emotional beats, and pacing notes. I literally said out loud, this would have taken me 2 hours to write manually. Here's how we do it. First, we start by opening a fresh chat window. On the AI model, select Opus 4.8. Now we can write a simple prompt for our video. We don't need a complex or detailed prompt because Opus 4.8 acts like a creative director that translates your rough ideas into the exact cinematic prompts the video engines need. It keeps your characters and storyline perfectly consistent from start to finish, pushing the tool's capabilities way past its normal baseline. So simply write a prompt like mine. Act as a creative director. Write a 4-scene cinematic short about an adult healing their inner child, ending with a warm hug. For each scene, provide a deep emotional narration and an optimized 5-second video prompt, camera and lighting. Include a character sheet prompt at the end for strict visual consistency. Then we continue by letting the AI generate the full outline and character sheet prompt. Read through it, don't just accept the first draft. If a scene feels off, tell it exactly what to change. Say something like, scene 3 feels too slow, make it more urgent, and add a visual contrast moment. The AI is incredibly responsive to directional feedback like that. Here's what most people don't know. The tool has a character consistency engine built specifically for multi-scene projects. When you pass the reference image alongside each new prompt, it doesn't just try to match the look. It actually locks the facial geometry and lighting model, so the character ages, moves, and reacts consistently across every clip. That is studio level technology, and you're accessing it for free inside a chat window. Your storyline and character sheet prompt is now locked and loaded. Now it's time to render the actual video, and this part is genuinely cinematic. Step 3. Rendering your faceless cinematic video. Now here comes the most satisfying step in this entire workflow, because this is where everything you've built becomes a real video. When I hit render on my first full sequence, I watched 4 scenes come back in under 8 minutes, each one with smooth camera movement, consistent lighting, and 0 flickering on the character. I literally rewatched it 3 times just to make sure it was real. Here's how we do it. From the same chat, we can write a request to the AI to generate an image for our character based on the generated character sheet prompt. Now, simply type this into the prompt box. Create a character sheet image based on the generated character sheet prompt. Next, click Allow to let the AI access your integrated generator tool. Once our character sheet is ready, use it as a visual reference for our video. Just type Create the cinematic video based on the generated storyline and use this image as the reference image for video generation. Then, grant permission one more time. After that, you can watch the rendering progress right here without switching tabs. Finally, once it's done, we can review our video immediately. Here's what most people miss. The AI can actually analyze your story's vibe and suggest the exact model preset for each generation. Instead of guessing your settings, it labels each scene with the perfect aesthetic direction. While most people just stick to the default and lose out on quality, you get the absolute best visual style every single time. Download your rendered clips, drop them into your editor in sequence, layer your voiceover, and you have a complete faceless cinematic video built entirely from a chat window. Let's talk about what this workflow actually replaces, because the numbers are kind of wild. If you hired a professional video production team to do what we just built, you're looking at anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per video. If you learned traditional motion graphics and video editing the old-fashioned way, we're talking 6 to 12 months of practice before your work looks anywhere close to this. With this tool and AI assistant model, you just did it in the time it takes to watch a Netflix episode. Now, I know some of you are already thinking of reasons this won't work for you. Let me handle those right now. I'm not technical enough to set this up. If you can copy and paste a link, you can do this. The whole setup is literally easy, and you can have your first video in 10 minutes. The AI won't understand my creative vision. The AI is built for directional feedback. The more specific you are, the better it performs. You are always in control. The video quality won't look professional. The platform runs 30 plus of the world's top video engines. The output is 4K cinematic quality. Your audience will not know it came from a chat window. This will take too long to learn. You just watched the entire workflow in under 12 minutes. You already know how to do it. Here's what you walk away with from this workflow. You get immediate results. A complete, faceless video ready to publish, built in a single session. You get a social advantage content that looks like it came from a full production team, which builds trust and authority with your audience fast. You get a creative benefit, total freedom to tell any story in any style with any character without ever being on camera yourself. This is your moment to stop watching other people create and start building your own content engine. The link to get started is in the description below. Go connect it to your AI assistant right now while this workflow is fresh in your mind. If this video helped you, subscribe, because I'm dropping more workflows exactly like this one, and you do not want to miss what's coming next. The tools are ready. Your storyline is waiting. Go build something cinematic.